Most people are using AI wrong. They open a chatbot, ask a question, get an answer, and then they stop there. But the real shift happening right now isn't just better chatbots. It's AI assistants that can actually do work. And that raises a big question. What's the best AI assistant for real work? What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle. In this video, we're comparing two very different approaches. OpenClaw, a self-hosted AI agent system you run on your own server, and Claude Cowork, a more guided, user-friendly AI workspace designed for productivity. By the end of this video, you'll know the key differences between OpenClaw and Claude Cowork. Which one is better for beginners, which one is better for automation and scaling, and which one you should be using depending on your goals. Let's get into it. Before we compare these tools, we need to understand something important. AI is moving in two directions. The first direction is smarter chat interface, better responses, better context, better reasoning. That's where tools like Claude Cowork sit. The second direction is autonomous systems, AI that runs tasks, executes workflows, connects to tools, operates in the background. That's where OpenClaw fits in. So this comparison isn't just tool versus tool, it's interface versus system, convenience versus control, and ease versus power. What is Claude Cowork? Let's start with Claude Cowork. Claude Cowork is designed to feel like an AI-powered workplace. It's not just a chatbot, it's more like an assistant that helps you write, think, organize, analyze, and plan. Everything happens inside a clean interface. You can upload documents, ask complex questions, generate content, break down ideas, work through problems step by step, and the biggest advantage, it's extremely easy to use. There's no setup, no server, no coding. You just log in and start working. Now let's look at OpenClaw. OpenClaw is completely different. It's not designed for casual use. It's an AI agent framework. That means you can create AI agents with specific roles, run them on a VPS, connect them to APIs, automate workflows, and execute tasks without manual input. Instead of you asking AI to do something, you create systems that run on their own. That's a completely different level of leverage. Let's start with the most obvious difference. Claude Cowork is beginner friendly. You open it, type something, and get results. There's almost zero friction. OpenClaw is the opposite. You need to set up a VPS, install dependencies, configure API keys, and understand how agents work. This takes time. So if you're a beginner, Claude Cowork wins immediately. But ease of use comes with trade-offs. Claude Cowork gives you a controlled environment. It's powerful, but limited to what the platform allows. You can't fully customize back-end workflows, connect unlimited custom tools, run autonomous systems. OpenClaw gives you full control. You decide what your agent does, what tools it uses, how it runs, when it runs. It's like the difference between using an app versus building your own system. Now, this is where OpenClaw really stands out. Claude Cowork is interactive. You give input and it gives output. OpenClaw can run continuously. For example, you can build an agent that monitors news, extracts insights, generates summaries, or sends you reports without you touching anything. That's automation. Claude Cowork doesn't do that natively. Claude Cowork gives you instant results. You can be productive in minutes. OpenClaw takes time to set up. You might spend 30 minutes to 2 hours setting up, more time refining agents, but once it's running, it saves you time long-term. So it's short-term speed versus long-term leverage. Let's make this practical. Claude Cowork is best for writing, brainstorming, research, planning, or content creation. It's like a thinking partner. OpenClaw is best for automation, data processing, repetitive workflows, system building, or background tasks. It's like a worker. Let's compare both tools using the same task. Goal: create content. With Claude Cowork, your prompt: write a thread about productivity. It generates content, you edit, post it, and done. With OpenClaw, you build an agent. Input topic, output tweet, thread, LinkedIn post, or newsletter. Automatically generated and sorted. Now, instead of creating content manually, you've built a system. For Claude Cowork, you ask, summarize this topic. It responds. OpenClaw OpenClaw, you build an agent that searches multiple sources, extracts key points, summarizes findings, and stores results repeatedly. One is manual, one is automated. Which one is better for beginners? No debate here. Claude Cowork wins if you don't want technical setup, just want to get work done, need fast results, then Claude Cowork is the better choice. It removes friction. Which one is better for advanced users? OpenClaw if you want automation, want systems, want scalability, or want control. Then OpenClaw gives you more power, but only if you're willing to learn. Which one makes you more money? This is the real question. Claude Cowork helps you work faster, create better content, think more clearly. That can increase income. OpenClaw helps you build systems, automate processes, replace manual work. That can scale income. So Claude equals productivity. OpenClaw equals leverage. Here's the smartest move. Don't choose one. Use both. Use Claude Cowork for thinking, writing, planning, or strategy. Use OpenClaw for execution, automation, or scaling. This combination gives you speed plus systems. Now, let's talk about what people get wrong. First, jumping into OpenClaw too early. If you don't understand workflows yet, it will feel overwhelming. Second, only using Claude for everything. You stay stuck in manual work. Third, overcomplicating automation. Start simple, then scale. We're moving towards a world where everyone has AI assistants, automated workflows, and personal systems. The difference will be who builds systems versus who just uses tools. That's the gap. So, which one is better? If you want simplicity, Claude Cowork. If you want power, OpenClaw. And if you want the best outcome, use both. AI isn't just about getting answers anymore. It's about building systems that create results. Claude Cowork helps you think. OpenClaw helps you execute. And when you combine both, you move from using AI to leveraging AI. If you want to explore these tools, check the links in the description below. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content just like this. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.